It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Di, yung...
Ilang beses na dito, pangatlo pang aba.
Kaya ayaw namin kumain dito dito kasi kakaupo ko lang namin, nandiyan na agad. Ay, nagulap ko niya eh. Ang ganda.
I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family, credit cards and the scammers, getting the licks in the bank, legacies.